Everybody, hope you are all fine. Today I will start a new lesson about the state of matter. We have three states of matter, which is solid, liquid, and gas. So let's know each state of matter and its properties. Okay. So the first solid solid state, it's like the ice, which is hard and does not flow through. Okay, so we have different examples on a solid state, like the ice, like the wood, like the desk, like the piece of metal or iron, like the rock, like a pencil. Okay, the second state of matter, which is the liquid, which is not hard like the solid, but they are flow through any container they are put in, like the water, like the milk, like the oil. And then we have gas, which is uh, become invisible for us, like the air, like the gas which is come from the chimney of factories, and the water vapor which is come from the container when we are boiling the water. And here we have a half table, and I want to classify them according to the state of matter, or place the object in the correct category. We have here the water vapor, which is come from the container, so we will put it here in the gas. Okay, we'll put it here in the gas. We have the book, which is state of matter, solid or liquid or gas. Yes, it's solid. About the juice, it will be solid or liquid or gas. It's like water, so it will be liquid. About the gas in the balloon, it will be gas. About the ice, it will be in solid table. About the pencil, it will be in solid table. Liquid, it will be in oil, it will be in liquid table. Okay, so we have three states of matter, which is solid, liquid, gas. Solid like iron, stone, ice, wood. Liquid like water, like oil, like benzene, alcohol, like milk. All of them take the liquid state. Gas like oxygen, like nitrogen, like water vapor. Okay, here I want to define the properties of solid. We have sharpener and rubber and also stone, and they are on the table. Okay, and then we will put those things inside the flask. All of them, we'll put them in the flask. Okay, I'm sorry. Put all of them in the flask. Thus we will notice they change their shape or volume. They become bigger? No, they still the same. They take the shape of the container? No, they will be the same also and does not change. So we will say they have definite shape and definite volume, which does not change their shape or does not change their volume. Okay, and here we have the properties of liquid. Liquid doesn't have their own shape. They change their shape according to the container they are putting in. Okay, but they have the like definite and indefinite volume. They have definite volume and indefinite shape. We have here 200 milli, and here, and then we will pour this liquid inside the another container. We will find that the shape of the liquid it changed, but the volume will be the same. And here there is a liquid. We will pour the liquid which is inside the cylinder inside the beaker. Okay, so we will notice they have they have the same volume, all of them 100 milliliter, but the shape they do not keep its own shape. They take the shape of its container. Okay, and also the air. In case of the air, we cannot even like see the air. It's like invisible for us. Okay, from where we can know that they are matter? The air matter because it has mass and volume. From where I know that the air have mass and volume? In case of volume, if I have we can do this experiment at our home. We have a container here, and then we have water. Okay, and then I will cover the glass of water, cover water with glass. Okay, and then we will find that the water will arise here for a small distance, and then it will let the top part empty. Okay, this means that the piece of the this part containing air, so the air will take up space, so it is considered matter. From where I know that this has a mass, we will have a meter, like our stack, and then we have a balloon, a empty balloon. Okay, and then we will blow one of them. We will found one of them will move down. This means it has mass. Okay, okay. And I told you why this matter, and then I want to know the gas. It has a definite shape or definite volume or not? As I know, the gas does not have a definite shape or definite volume. They have indefinite shape and indefinite volume. Why? Because they also take the shape of the container, and also they take they do not have a constant volume. Okay, so if I press on the balloon, it will change its shape from round to disc. Okay, and then we will know the matter. If anything around us consists of something called molecule. Okay, solid have definite shape and definite volume, which mean not changeable. Liquid have indefinite shape and definite volume. Gas have indefinite shape and indefinite volume. Here we want to know the measurement units. The rubber for pen, character, notebook. We will use the ruler for measurement of all of these things because they have small lengths. But in case of the room or the classroom, we will use the graduated tape to measure their length because they have a large length. Okay, about the measurement tools, graduated ruler, when we call it graduated because it is divided into numbers, so it's used to measure small lengths. In case of graduated tape, it's used to measure large lengths. About the unit or the names, we use centimeter for measurement the distance between 2 points or for small lengths. Meter for a large lengths, like the distance of your room. Kilometers, like the distance from Alex to Cairo, for a very large lengths. Okay, this is a relation between very big units and small units. 1 kilometer equal 1000 meter, and 1 meter equal 100 centimeter. Here we have a chair, and we have a small chair and another big chair. Okay, we found that the mass, the small chair has less mass, or be lighter than the big chair. Why? Because it has a more amount of matter than the big one. It has more wood inside it. Okay, so the mass is the amount of matter in an object. How we can measure the mass? By using the ruler? No, we have another tools like balance. To balance, we will find it when we are buying fruits or vegetables, or sensitive balance when we use to measure the mass of the necklace or chemicals which is used in the lab. Okay, so to balance used to measure the larger masses as fruits and vegetables, since balance used to measure small masses as jewelry and chemicals. About the names or units, we have gram for small masses, kilogram for large masses, for very large masses like mass of trunk or train. The relation between small units and large units, 1 ton equal 1,000 kilometer and 1 kilometer equal 1000 gram.